This is an introduction to the Wix dashboard. You will need to accept the contributor access that was emailed to you. Once accepted, you will need to set up a Wix account at www.wix.com. I recommend you use your same email address that your contributor invitation was sent. Next, select a password. Once you have set up your username and password, you will either be redirected to the Wix login page or will need to type www.wix.com into your browser. I also recommend you use Google Chrome as your website browser. Once you log in, your dashboard should look like this, and where you can confirm the name, site domain address and menu of plan options. When the dashboard opens, you will see a dark blue section on the left side of your computer screen. In this section you will see all of the command functions available to you through the dashboard. It is also here in this section you can add music or video content as well as set up live streaming events. Your Wix marketing platform also includes a basic CRM for contact management. It is here where you either add contacts one at a time or you can import thousands of names and subscribers at once. The CRM is also where a name will automatically be added when someone completes one of the contact forms generated within your website. Although you will be notified via an email to your personal email account. The Wix CRM can also be used to send and receive directly to anyone within your contact list. You will notice red icons at the top right side of your dashboard when you have any new messages. This also includes messages from Wix and chat messages from your visitors on your site. On the dashboard, the tree will display other functionality including blogs and event scheduling. At the blog, you can vlog, live stream or create blog marketing content to drive traffic to your website. You can schedule online or on-site events to bring clients, subscribers, shoppers and others to your venues. These events can be set up for a specific date, time and location, or you can select a to be determined action. Events can also be paid or RSVP. You can even embed video conferences with Zoom.com. As we continue with the dashboard, you will also see a Seo and Marketing Integration in the menu. As a subscriber to one of the Adaptive Marketing Group platforms or website, we will complete the SEO or search engine optimization for you. However, this is also where you, as the site owner, can change the keywords to personalize your search engine optimization. Within the marketing integration, you will have the functionality to send email messages, newsletters, birthday acknowledgements or other outbound communications to those within your contact list. It is also from this contact list that your blogs and vlogs will be sent as well. It is in this section you can also take advantage of the Wix and Facebook ad integration. This is a new service recently added to Wix that allows Facebook advertiser to drive and track Facebook ads to their websites. One of the many reasons Wix was selected by Adaptive Marketing Group is the awesome marketing tools and applications that can be embedded into a website. Included is Google Analytics, Facebook meta tags. In fact, there are over 300 applications that can be added to the Wix and Adaptive Marketing Group websites. There are applications for analytics, apps to drive more traffic to your website, apps that help engage with your site visitors, innovative social media applications, applications for bookkeeping and selling online, scheduling or booking appointments, events and classes. There are lead capture applications and applications to help design engaging videos. There are even phone applications that track visitors to your site. The phone application allows for you to engage live with those visitors with either a chat, email or phone feature. Bottom line, this dashboard is door that opens the marketing functionality of your Adaptive Marketing Group designed website. We encourage you to log in and look around. Don't be afraid. It is easy and the only way to learn it to open the dashboard and try it out. If you have questions, call me. My number is on the screen. Engage and enjoy.